All right, guys, welcome to today's awesome meeting. Welcome to today's awesome class, right? So, today we're going to be talking about something that is very important in the forex market. I'm talking about a strategy that works. I'm talking about a strategy that I also use, right? Right? So, this is a very good and conservative strategy when used properly, right? I'm going to be sharing with you how to use it and ways not to use it in order for you to trade profitably, right? So let's get started. And also remember, if today is your first time joining this channel, do well to subscribe, like, and share in order to get the daily signals, the daily analysis being released in this same channel, right? So let's get started. So what are we talking about? We are talking about the breakout trading strategy. The breakout trading strategy, right? Conservatively, we are used to the normal movement, every impulsive move, or when the market makes an impulsive move, you have to wait for the market to make a retracement. Makes an impulsive move, you wait for the market to make a retracement, just like this. You make a movement to the highs, you wait for the retracement, or when the market is heading up, make a retracement. There must be a retracement before you go for your buy, right? And also in your selling market, you wait for the market to make an impulsive move down, a retracement back, an impulsive move down, a retracement back. So that's the usual way, conservatively, and which is not bad, which is very good. Up till now, I trade retracement, right? I wait for the retracement to be done, then giving me confirmation before I take entry in the market, right? But I'm here to share with you something much more, something that will also help in the that will aid your profitability in the market, right? So what am I going to be talking about? This is the breakout trading strategy, right? Note, this is an aggressive way of trading, right? Breakout strategy is an aggressive way of trading. It's not conservative because there is no retracement. Say you wish to have a retracement, there is no retracement in this particular trading style, right? When used properly, it can give you the best trading results. As a matter of fact, most of my trades, they are as a result of the breakout system, right? The breakout trading strategy, when used properly, can give you the best of results, right? Must have a good knowledge of candlestick, right? For you to trade breakout properly, you have to have a good knowledge of breakouts. These are the things we have to note, right? So not only that, can be used either in a trending market or a ranging market, right? Those of us asking, oh, how do I trade ranging market? How do I know this? How do I know that, right? By the time you understand how to use the breakout trading system, you can use it both in your trending market and in your ranging market, which I'm going to share with you the ways you can use them, right? Can be used when trading either commodities, metals. You can use it to trade everything. It works both for currencies, commodities, cryptocurrencies, whatever you're trading, whatever security you're trading, right? All this works in that, right? So let's get started. Now, what are the rules? How do we use it, or how does this breakout strategy works, right? Must be traded in the higher time frame, right? Number one, this is the number one rule, right? The same rule of higher time frame applies here, right? You have to spot it in your higher time frame. Let's say you're a day trader. What's your higher time frame, D1 or the H4, right? And you take entry in the H1 or the 30 minutes, right? So that's how it's being used, right? You must spot them, or you must have that your candlestick or that your breakout in the higher time frame. The breakout should be able to happen in the higher time frame, right? So the number two rule is this: the candlestick causing the break must break and close either to the upside or to the downside, right? The candlestick causing the break must break and close either to the upside or to the downside. That is, you must wait for the candlestick to break and close. You must wait for the candlestick to break and close, right? Let's see example. Let's look for something related to what I'm talking about, right? Okay, let's go for the Bitcoin market. The Bitcoin market. Right? So this is the Bitcoin market. This is the Bitcoin market. So let's spot a good range. Okay, this is what we are talking about. Um, this not even a range, whether trending or a range, right? We can use either of them. So let's put this. Let's use this, right? So now, take a good look at this. Take a good look at this. This is an uptrending market, right? And at the end of the day, there was a break to the upside. You have to wait for the candlestick to break and close above. You have to wait for the candlestick to break and close above. You can see here there was a good break and close above. There was a good break and close above. So the candlestick breaking that zone, either the resistance zone or the support zone, must fully break it and close above. If it doesn't close above or below, it's not yet a break. Most times people make the mistakes of not knowing the one that is breaking or not. All you have to do, if it's a ranging market, just like let's go for the Euro USD, right? Euro USD market. Let's go for the Euro USD market, right? So this is the Euro USD market. The Euro USD market. Now you will see this. You can see this is a support zone. This is at a support region. But at the end of the day, there was a break. But what happened? The candlestick broke and closed above, right? There must be a break and they close above or below before you can now say a breakout has actually happened. Because a week breaking a particular zone, either the support or the resistance, does not mean that the market has broken out, right? That's when people miss it, right? So there must be a break and close before you can now say a breakout has happened, right? At the break and close, after the close of the candlestick, preferably one candlestick breaking above the zone, you can now enter for either a buy or a sell when it happens below, right? Just look at it, just like this, at the break and close above. At the opening of the next candlestick, you can now go in for your buy in the forex market, right? So the candlestick causing the break, that's what must close above or below, right? That's still the same thing, right? The higher the time frame, the better it is. The higher the time frame you spot the break, you spot the candlestick breaking it, the better for it. The candlestick breaking a zone in D1 can never be compared to that of the 30 minutes breaking a zone. So you must look for the higher the time frame, the better for it. The higher the time frame you are spotting the break, the better for it, right? If it is to be done in a trending market, must be a strong trending market. That's still another thing you have to consider. For you to trade breakout strategy, it should be in a strong trending market. This one can never be overemphasized, right? This one can never be overemphasized. Where you see a market forming a flag pattern or ascending triangle, right? This type of patterns occur in a strong trending market, right? Let's check if we will see let's see if we will see a strong trending market here, or a market forming ascending, or any particular pattern that usually occurs in a strong trending market, right? So let's go for the Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin market. This is the Bitcoin market, right? Now, this pattern you're seeing here, this pattern you see here, this pattern you see here, this is an ascending triangular pattern. This is an ascending triangular pattern, right? This is an ascending triangular pattern. In this type of market, all you have to do is to wait for a break. You can still use your lines to draw using your lines, right? You can draw your lines. You can also map this out. You can also map this out, right? So when the market breaks to the upside, when the market breaks to the upside, and closing up just like this, you cannot enter for your buy in the forex market. You enter for your buy in the forex market. This is a very sweet strategy, right? Use if it's in a trending market, it should be forming patterns like the flag patterns, or you see something like the ascending triangular pattern. All you have to do is for a break, right? And you enter. Strong trending market, you don't really need a retracement. Just use your breakout strategy, draw your support and your resistance zone, wait for the market to break out before you go in for your buy, or before you go in for your sell in the forex market, right? Just like, let's see if we could see, if we'll see something good, something good, something good. Yeah, something like this. In this type of market, you don't wait for a retracement, right? If you're waiting for a retracement at this particular zone, or at this particular place, you wait and wait and wait and wait. You wait and wait and wait, you will not have results, right? So all you have to do is, in this type of market, just map out your resistance and your support, wait for market to break out. Because in this type of market, you do not see a retracement, right? You do not see any form of retracement. And if you are waiting for retracement, you miss a lot of opportunities in the forex market. So map out your support, map out your resistance, wait for the market to break out to the upside or to the downside. If the market is in a downtrend already, you go for a sell, and if it's in an uptrend already, you can now go for your buy in the forex market, right? So that's it. Then also, when shorter candlesticks with wicks, or when shorter candlesticks break the zones, it shows that there is possibility for market to move towards that direction, right? When shorter candlesticks break the zone, it shows that there is possibility for market to move towards that direction, right? So what am I trying to talk about? Avoid the market, or avoid anything breakout when a long candlestick like this breaks the market. I come again. Avoid anything known as breakout when a long candlestick like this breaks the market. This type of break oftentimes reverses and goes the opposite direction, right? Whenever you see a long candlestick like this, a long candlestick like this breaking a zone, there is possibility that that type of market might return, right? So preferably shorter candlesticks breaking a zone, or not breaking a zone to the upside or breaking a zone to the downside. That is the best, and that is what works in the market. Where longer candlesticks breaks the zone, be very very careful, be very conservative. There is possibility that the market will soon, or will still go back to where it's coming from. Preferably you can look out for the retracement and go in, but not for breakouts. For breakout, what works? Shorter candlesticks works for breakout, and not longer candlestick, a very bullish candlestick. Yes, a very bullish or a very bearish candlestick shows momentum, but that does not mean that it's gonna work, right? These are the important thing when to you consider whenever talking about breakout strategy in the forex market. And you have to do it right for the market to work for you, right? You have to do it right for the market to work for you. So as a way of recap, in this market, we started with um, the breakout trading strategies, right? The breakout trading strategy, wait for either the break to the upside or to the downside, right? And we gave confirmation. It's an aggressive way of entering the market, right? When used properly, can give the best trading results. Must have a good knowledge of candlesticks before it works for you, right? Can be used either in a trending market or a ranging market. Can be used when trading either commodities, metals, and the rest must be traded in the higher time frame. The candlestick must break and close. There must be a close in on the chart. There must be a close on the chart before you go in for your buy or sell. Anything breaking, there must be a close, right? So we said a whole lot of things. The higher the time frame, the better. If it is to be done in a trending market, spot it in the region where you find your flat pattern, your ascending triangle, and every type of patterns in the forex market should always be in the favor of the trend, right? So when shorter candlesticks with wick breaks the zones, it's more important in the forex market. So this is very very important in the forex market. Remember to like, subscribe, and share if today is the first time joining this channel. All right, thank you very much. Go and make much more in the forex market, right? Bye now.